Hello guys, this is the unboxing of the DDPAI Mini Dashcam. This is the upgraded version of the camera. As you can see here, it's updated with a newer 2 megapixel sensor, and it now supports H.265 video encoding. So yeah, let's unbox and see the product. You can see the official contact for DDPAI, the mail WhatsApp contact. Let's fast forward it. Okay, so firstly we have a user guide in various languages. I see mostly, is it Ukrainian or Russian? I don't even know. Oh, sorry, the whole chassis came out. So let's keep these things aside. And this is the camera, and we have a 3M tape. So the camera is attached to this module. As you can see, it is a micro USB port, 3M tape, DDPAI. This deep blue cover for the camera lens, this signifies that this is the updated version. Previously you got a different colored one, so with that you can understand that this is not the upgraded version. So let's keep it in the side and see the other box contents. Okay, so we have this cable organizer sort of thing made of plastic, pretty decent quality, didn't expect though. This is another 3M tape backup, and this, okay, we have 1 amperes and 2.1 amperes charging point, and a cigarette lighter port on the end. I can put the micro USB cable here. Micro USB cable is of 11.2 feet, I think, and it has type A2 micro USB connector, and this is 3.5 meters long, which is sufficient for installation on the camera. So this was the unboxing of this DDPAI Mini Dash camera. It's the upgraded version with H.265 video recording, and yeah, hope to see you in the next video. This was just a basic informal unboxing, and I hope you liked and enjoyed watching this. And if you have any queries, then please do ask on the comment box below. Till then, stay safe and enjoy your life. Thank you.